Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple juice from a pineapple skin. Yes, you heard it right. So from now on, every time you will buy a pineapple, you will not have to throw the skin but use it. Let's just get right into it. Before cutting the pineapple, make sure that you have washed the pineapple skin really good to make sure that every residue and dirt are removed. If you can soak the pineapple skin with some vinegar and some water, do so because it will be healthier at the end. So now I'm cutting my pineapple. Once I've made sure my pineapple is clean, I am going to set it aside to eat it later on. And what I'm looking for is the pineapple core that I will use alongside with the pineapple skin and ginger to boil it to make the pineapple juice. So I am going to put the skin into the pot alongside with ginger root that I have and put 4 cups of water into the pan and boil it for 30 minutes on medium-high heat. So now it's done. It's been boiling for 30 minutes. I let it cool off. And now I'm going to transfer the juice from the pineapple into the pan with a strainer. And I'm going to remove the pineapple skin and everything else and keep the pineapple juice. Then I'm going to take 2 lemons. I will squeeze the 2 lemons into the pineapple juice. Once I'm done with the lemons, I will also take the ginger roots that I boiled and squeeze it into the pineapple juice. Then I will add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. You can add more if you like turmeric or less, whichever you choose. I will also add 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. I like ginger because it has calming effects to the stomach. Then you will whisk everything together. Once you are done mixing everything together, you will add 3 tablespoons of honey. You can add more honey if you want your drink to be very sweet. Then you mix everything together. Then I will add a pinch of pepper because pepper helps the body to digest turmeric better. Once I'm done mixing everything, I will transfer it into a jar and serve it. I actually had 2 jars for the juice that I made. So it's a very healthy drink. It's very good. If you have children, they will get to enjoy it. The ingredients for the juice will be in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. Enjoy.